Good morning. So next concept is load balancing concept. So what is load balancing concept of prestressed concrete? So we know that prestressed concrete is placed with tendons. Prestressed concrete placed with tendons. So the tendons are placed with different shapes. So first we have taken the straight tendons. The tendons is placed in straight. So with eccentricity straight in direction. So then the maximum bending moment. So in this load balancing concept, we will calculate the maximum bending moment and maximum deflections. So maximum bending moment for straight tendons is known as M. That is nothing but bending moment is nothing but load into perpendicular distance. We know that load into perpendicular distance. So maximum bending moment M is equal to load into perpendicular distance. That is P into E, and the maximum deflection we will get as M L square by PEA. M L square by PEA. Next one, bent tendons. So the prestressed force which is acted bent in shape, triangular. So bent is nothing but triangular in shape. Then the bending moment will be 4 PE by L. 4 PE by L. And the maximum deflection will be WL cube by 48 PEA. WL cube by 48 EA. Okay, so maximum bending moment is nothing but 4 PE by L, and the deflection is WL cube by 48 PI. Next, curved tendon. So curved means it is nothing but UDL in shape. So UDL means bending. The bending of beam will be in curved, parabolic. So here also the prestressing force which is curved in shape, with eccentric direction, then the bending moment will be 8 PE by L square. 8 PE by L square. Next, the maximum deflection, we will get the value of 5 WL power 4 by 384 EA. So these the maximum deflection values for straight bent curved tendon will be calculated as we know in strength of materials and structural analysis also. So these are the similar formulas. These are the same formulas which were repeated for the subject, but the process is main concept is the prestressing with tendons. There we have calculated for only concrete beams, concrete with steel beam, that is ML square by PA, WL cube by 48 A, 5 WL 4 by 384 A. Here in this place the tendons were placed with bent, curved and straight direction, and the maximum bending moment and the maximum deflection were calculated by the load balancing concept. It is also very important question. They will ask as explain about load balancing concept. So pressure line and the load balancing concept were the theoretical questions. Next, methods of prestressed concrete, which were discussed earlier, were the very important questions, theoretical questions which were asked in previous question papers. Okay, this is the concept of load balancing concept.